Nadar caste people who involved in the forgery before 14 years back. And still it is continuing by using Almighty God's veiled power along with international terror, the universal terror called as Varadara, who got that power from Muslim Islam peoples. Actually, in the year, I think I was in the age of 7th or 8th standard, and that time they played on cinema called as Arunachal in Tamil. That film set about death of Richard Kohler, and his property was handed over to one Vakil. Actually, I am that king. My father was only died because of the pressure of the enemies. My father, they are saying that name as a Bhubadi, and they are saying he is from Jameen. But I don't know what's the background of my brother. But before that itself, my mother died, like that they said in the films. On the time I am innocent, these Nadar caste people use that innocent and they try to find who is that Vakil. They gave one child to me, that is female child to me, and that child tried to find or try to realize what type of person he is, who is he, like that. That female come inside the house and try to realize me by marrying me. Within 5 days she left from the house, and she and all the Nadars searched that Vakil. I don't know how much the property will be, but they said the property amount is 3,000 crore. These Nadar people, at the year 2000, I think when I was in the job training or some other work, in job work, these Nadar cunning fellows attacked total Vakils who are in the fight to save that Vakil. To collapse or to hide that matter, they attacked total Vakils. All the Vakils was in strike. That was happened one time in Chennai, in front of the High Court. They attacked the head of all the Vakils who tried to save myself. On that time I was in Pondicherry. They attacked my head, that is international terror. Varadarajan and Sivakumar attacked my head. I informed that to police station or outside. So these Nadar cunning fellows who fight for me from my father's side attacked total Vakils of Chennai High Court. In front of the High Court, Chennai High Court, Vakil was attacked by these rowdies and these international terrors, and they try to steal that money, that is deed, and they try to produce the duplicate deed to eat that 3,000 crore. This was happened, I find and I try to find who is that advocate or wakil, but I can't find who is that. So I am saying that through this speech I also gave my contact details to that advocate, but no one knows whether that advocate is still exist or not, because it was happened 14 years back. This much Nadar, mostly total Nadar caste are supporting that international terror Vardarajan. So I can't say whether that wakil is SC or not. So it's a request to Supreme Court to take this case, to find what is happening behind this, and I request the Supreme Court to hand over that property deed to myself, as because I am in some work towards I'm having some work towards my project. Because of the pressure of these enemies, my father died. My parents only in Nadar caste, but they will not consider my words. They will not teach anything to me. At the age of 32, I try to learn what is called earth. Until that 32 age, that parent didn't teach anything to me, didn't do any help to me. I grow by myself by taking the food, and they used me for their growth and their earnings. Inside that family, one person called as Lakshmanan was there. That Lakshmanan is from the origin of Karna. There is some fight between Karnan and Kannan. That Lakshmanan is from the origin of Karna. So they are not ready to teach anything to myself. I grow myself up to the age of 32. After the age of 32, I try to learn about the earth, and I try to learn one by one. But all are highly educated, because they learned 32 years. But still I crossed 4 years. I am studying something by seeing their people. They are not ready to teach anything to me. Even one parent is not ready to teach anything. Nobody will teach, or nobody will see that child. That is only happening in my life. So I don't want to bother about that, but I want to develop my skills, and I want to achieve my aim. So I am towards my aim to achieve my works, but still that Nadar caste are following and try to kill me. By saying I am a kida like words, they are calling me to that parent's house by fighting with others, by threatening others. And they are bringing me to one temple, and they are placing some water in my face. Like one kida, they will cut in the temple with weapons. Like that, they are placing some turmeric water in my head, and they are trying to cut my head. by saying I am a Kada, but I am basically a prince of the new caste. This was written by that Nadar caste to hide that they are still saying lot of lies and lies behind that. To hide one lie, they will say lies behind that. Likewise, they are continuing their lies. It is going on. So I am away from that Nadar caste, but they will come towards myself, and they will act like a innocent, act like a unknown people, and they will capture me from that place. Suppose if I wait for autos, they will not allow any other auto to take me. They will come and they will send out other auto, or they will threat other autos. They will come and they will take me, and they will torture inside that auto. They will collapse my sexual system inside that auto by saying you should not give birth also. My age is 35. That parents give one marriage to their children. They are not ready to bother about myself. My age is 35. I am from a Shiva dynasty. My name is Ganesan. I am saying about my car, about Uma Maheshwari, but they are not ready to consider about that female, and they are saying you should marry inside Nadar. Otherwise, I will cut your hair. But I am from a vegetarian caste, Ayyan Melar, but they are not ready to hear that word because they want my properties. If they married myself, they can eat my properties like that. They are openly saying in front of me, I want your property, so you want to marry myself. In all the areas they are following me, they are threatening me, along with Britain powers. They are getting Britain powers by saying the word, without parents, how we will exist in the air? I asked only one question. If you are if you can, so my father inside your Nararkas is my question. I am showing my identification. This is one of my identification. Is any Nadar above 60 or 50 is having this identification in Nadar caste? This is one of my identification. Anybody want to see that also? This is one of my identification. Inside the earth, any Nadar caste father or any Nadar caste old age fellow is having this identification. To eat money, these Nadar idiots are doing this type of forgery again inside the caste and inside the earth, and threatening the court and vakils using London powers. That is card power. That fellows are getting, and they are using lot of criminal technologies to collapse the ghost ruling, to collapse the image ruling, to collapse the senior's view. That is monitoring of the senior. They are collapsing the monitoring of the senior from long distance, and they are trying to kill others. All the criminal activities they are doing inside their Nadar caste to eat the money of the others and to try to collapse that Ayyan Melar caste. They are also one of the caste like that. They are also one of the caste like you. They are all new caste. How they are going to survive in this attack? Nobody knows about it. All are in some other caste only. They all are born to some other caste only, but they are new caste members. This is only basically the earth tradition during the caste creation. Why they are doing like this, no one knows. Anyone Nadar can say that word. Whether you will marry other caste or you will marry inside the Nadar caste, then how I will marry a Nadar caste if I am Ayyan Melar caste? It is the question to the Nadar caste Sangam or Nadar caste group or total Nadar caste. What is the answer for this one? You only said we should marry inside the caste. I am from Iyengar, Iyen male or caste. How I can marry a Nadar female, or how I can marry, or how I can follow a Nadar's words? It is a question to the Nadar caste or Nadar Sankam or Nadar groups. You don't have any sense, or are you having anything in your mind? To eat that 3000 crore, nobody knows whether that deed is there or not, whether 3000 is in the bank or not. I think they will finish that work, so they are hiding like this. That may happen. I want to notify this to other country court to handle this case, because lots are try to kill myself along with Nadas, because London King George is involved in this matter. That villa was given by some lakh crore. It was also in trial. London King was given by some 40 lakh crore, 50 lakh crore, 100 lakh crore. Like that it is going in lakh crores. Lot of countries are giving money to that fellow, London King, and this forgery is happening inside the earth by giving the failed Almighty God. Almighty God power is in London. That power was given to one of the universal terror, Varadarajan, and that terror is torturing all my Iyen Melar caste peoples throughout the earth. By saying Corona, they are giving Corona disease to my caste, and they are trying to kill that caste members. In Tamil Nadu, they are killing a lot of females by in Pollachi side by saying no one knows. They are cutting their guts by knife by their hand itself. It is in the pictures, YouTube pictures you can see in Pollachi areas. They are cutting their guts. Females are cutting their guts by their hands itself. It was shown in the Aadhar film by some director, American director. By seeing that film, they are doing forgeries. That terrorists are attacking inside Tamil Nadu, and they are cutting the gut of the females using that technology shown in that American film. By sitting inside the house without going to the job, they are doing like this towards the other richest people's richest sons and daughters, and they are taking the properties of them, deed of them. This is only the recent trend of the Nadar caste. They are not ready to go to job by saying we are only Vanigargal. We are only having the rights to place a job, place a shop for small, like what is that one? Kirani shop, what is that one? Kitchen items like masala, like that. General stores. In all the place they are sitting, and they are saying you should not come to my shop to take any general products. If I said about them, they are saying like that. If I said they as Ina Pirapugal who are trying to kill this much people in there, they killed nearly 30 lakh people in Corona, and still they are attacking by slaving lot of people. If I said about that, they are saying what they are saying. I am saying wrongly, and they are all good people. Like that they are showing their face like that. If I said the truth to them, they are getting that much angry. They are saying, what do you think about Nadar caste? I don't want to think about any caste. I am saying the truth. What is happening? Why you are killing this much people in there? What they did to you? Who are you to touch that fellows? You even can't touch their dresses. You even can't come inside to their rooms without their permissions. This much word is there in privacy law. What do you think about laws? I born in the Nadar caste. For that, what do you want? by saying your blood and your sadai is from Nadar caste. Come and check. Check all the Nadar caste and come and check my body. Let's see whose sadai and whose blood is joining with myself in Nadar caste. If you fail in this matter, are you ready to die? Total Nadar caste are ready to die. Because I am the son of the father who died because of your pressure only. That father is not from Nadar caste. His name, they are saying name as a Bhubadi, but no one knows whether his name is Bhubadi or not. They take some other film called as Puyal Adichi Pathama irukkan, Bhubadi Adichi Padachama illa. Like that they sent read some dialogue in Sun TV. Even Sun TV also joined with them and doing forgery against that Ayyan Melar caste, and they are also taken some money, I think so. Sun TV owner Stalin, the next fellow, who is that fellow? Udayani Stalin. That fellow sleep with one sand. I am from sand. To say to without attacking to save myself from my dynasty, we gave one child to night to that Udayani Stalin. That Udayani Stalin sleep with that child for full one day. For that only that fellow left me. Otherwise that fellow will kill me. That means aggressive, idiotic females, idiotic Nadar caste they are. They are asking total properties of myself. They ruled that Tamil Nadu from past 40 years. That idiotic Udayani Stalin, who is sleeping with one actress for full one day. They don't have any assay. They have to take poison for this one. Idiots. Along with that Karunanidhi, who is a ruler of Tamil Nadu from the national anthem of Tamil Nadu, that fellow Nidhi is in the ruling. As per that Tamil Nadu national anthem, one Nidhi family is the gut of the Tamil Nadu, so that fellow is in the ruler. That Nidhi name is Gunanidhi. He is the follower of that Gunanidhi. What he want from that Gunanidhi? I am that Gunanidhi. What he want from me? That Karunanidhi, who is the dog of Tamil Nadu, killed all the polices and he make all the rowdies as a police there. All the people, sir. All the people be patient with that, and all the people, what is that one? Bear that also. Gunanidhi is the ruler of Tamil Nadu, who is in national anthem of Tamil Nadu. He is the follower of Gunanidhi, who is from that family. Who is from the origin of that family. He is asking the total properties of Gunanidhi and he want to eat the money. Like that Stalin and Udayanidhi is spreading rumors against that against myself and trying to take the properties of myself. They don't have any aims. They got to take just money as a food. Then only they will realize their fault. Sun TV is a sun power. Because of these type of peoples, that power will fail, and always it will fail. What they are thinking about power, whether why they are doing like that, no one knows. Another one film they took in that Tamil Nadu, told marriage need to take when I was in school. That was taken by some director to arrange marriage for myself, as because I am away from my father. My parents also not ready to care about me. But it was not reached myself. I was in the college and my brides are surround myself. That is, my bride spouses are surround myself. But no one said anything to me. I studied there without knowing about that. None person said anything to me. That also failed there. That film also failed there. This Sun TV fellow showing that picture and calling all the females to prostitution, and they are laughing in front of others. I shown one love Diva picture. They are spreading some rumors like what is called love without hearing the word of their parents and father and mother. You will love as you like, then how we will allow your love? Like that they are spreading rumors.